Got a bit to win today as usual. I'm going to want to show you my 2010 Quailridge Park model. This one is a double loft with the super bay. Its designation is Quailridge 39Sbml. It's got tan windows and trim and sage siding. Give you a little peek of the outside. It's been pretty windy here today, so I'm just going to tour the inside more than the outside. Got your entertainment center. We are pre-wired for stereo. There's the speaker wires. Got speakers in the ceiling and speaker wires in the corners. Everything in them stays in them. The windows are thermal pane windows. Nice and light in here. You can see the ceiling fan and the light fixtures. Sleeper sofa is standard. Recliner is standard. Storage under the seats is standard. Got a little pantry beside the furnace here. $56,000 BTU furnace. House type rear door. Again, if you step down into the master bedroom, and that gives us 50 inches of headroom in the loft. This is the his and hers wardrobe. There's lights in the closets. There is an electrical power panel behind that mirror. Comes with the end table and rather a nightstand and lamp. Everything in them stays in them. All the curtains, drapes, mini blinds, you name it. Show you the bathroom here. In the bathroom you have a sink, vanity, medicine cabinet, one-piece shower, fiberglass tub surround, porcelain house stool, and it's a little dark over in this corner, but maybe you can see the linen closet. I think you can probably get the idea. Quailridges have the large 18 cubic foot fridge, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. I'll take you upstairs for a tour of the loft. Go up the stairway. You have a 50-inch rear loft, 50-52. I haven't measured one recently, but they seem to hang out in that range. And then the front loft is the shorter of the two lofts. As you can see, there's a little step up there. And the front loft comes in at about 40 inches. Okay. Onward to the next Quailridge. In fact, I think the next video is going to be a log cabin. Go over the payments and pricing again with you one more time. MSRP is just shy of $50,000. Our price is $44,610. That would be 10 years, 120 payments of $444.90, or 15 years, 180 payments of $366.49. And we base them payments on a 20% down payment. We can usually work with you. We take trade-ins. Part of that down payment, or all of it, can be a trade-in. Okay. This is the super bay. If we had anything to look at besides trailers, we'd have quite a view here. Quailridges have that nice hutch too, China hutch. Well, give us a call if you're interested. Thanks for looking.